Convenience stores of Speedway. We don't have a Wawa up here. 427! Oh my! What's up, guys? It's a Sunday. We're off. We just did an oil change and spark plugs on Klaus, and now we're gonna go for a nice little cruise. We gotta pick up some E85, and I'm thinking that we're gonna find somewhere to pull the parachute. It wouldn't be just responsible of us to do it like right in front of Ernest, but I haven't pulled the parachute since last year at Ice Cream Cruise, so who knows if it's going to come out. So we're just setting up some GoPros, testing out some stuff, and we're going to see how it goes.
We are out of fuel.
No fuel. Been about a year since we've pulled the parachute on Klaus, because of course we haven't been able to race it fast enough to do it. So right down here we're going to kind of go nice and slow and just pull it, test it out first, repack it, and then maybe another time go out, get some speed and pull it. But we're just going to see this time, make sure it just opens and it works. Of course, this is on a closed course in Mexico. Don't attempt this at home.
Oh, here comes Carl. Was it everything you thought it would be and more?
Yeah, actually when the chute finally opened up, it jerked me good. Like I'm shaking a little bit.
Yeah. I saw it jerk the car down real hard.
I was just like, bam! I was like, holy crap. That was so cool. Finally, this thing got some air out some.
doing down there, buddy? I don't even know if you can see past my arm.
Yep, blew that one too.
I don't know if you guys can see, but
Yeah.
this guy keeps popping fuel pump fuses.
For some reason, a 30 amp fuse won't power 2 Walbro 525s.
Who'd have known?
Bad spot for the fuel pump fuse to go out.
Fuse?
Yeah, pull that. Guess it always happens. That was a lot of fun. You guys saw we pulled the parachute, which works. Still works fine. Everything's fine. Jerks you a little bit, but nothing too bad. And then we were going to go down to a different spot in Mexico where we could go faster and pull the chute to see what it would look like. But there were some fun cars and bikes that were down there. You saw that C5 Corvette. That was pretty fun. And then this guy had like one of those VA Boss Hog tricycles. It said 427 on the side of it, and that thing rips. That was a lot of fun. But Klaus is running good. I like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here, and we'll see you guys next time.